Okay, now I will show you how to reassemble the Lebel trigger group and lifter assembly. Okay, it's the reverse of the disassembly, but well, why don't I just show it here anyway, just for clarity's sake. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to reinstall the trigger spring. Okay, and if you'll notice here, you see that's kind of white line there. That's a groove. That's a concave groove that's interfaces with the rounded edges of the trigger spring. Okay. Take the trigger spring, slide one tip into the groove. Okay. Trigger spring is in now, but it's still loose. It can fall out. Right. So in order to hold it in place, we have to apply tension with this little screw. Right. Okay, so there's the little screw hole. Take it, put the screw in, just tighten it down. Right, okay. It's tight, seated properly. Oh, oops, not seated properly. Tighten it up some more. Okay, yeah. Now the spring will not fall out. Okay, next we need to reinstall these into the gun. Right, that there. And then also take this piece. No, I'm sorry, wrong hole. Slide the peg here into the bottom hole and make sure that it's in that orientation. Okay. All right, then slide this whole three-piece unit to the rest, like this. All right. Then take this piece and slide its peg here through that thing that looks like an old-fashioned keyhole. I take a little bit of working back and forth to find the perfect orientation. There we go. All right, slides into place. Something else to notice here is that the rolled edge of the trigger spring is there, and it's meant to interface with this concave notch. Okay, so just compress the trigger spring with your finger and then push down here, and it will interface. It'll seat itself properly. All right. Okay. Next, we have to add the bottom pieces. Okay. So just lift this up. Give yourself some space. First, take this piece and slide it in. And you see how there's a hole here, right? See it? And there's also a hole here at the bottom. You want to line up these two holes so you can slide a screw through them. Okay. Go. Lined up. Just going to take the small screw and slide it through the side about halfway, just to kind of keep this bottom piece in place. So the screw isn't all the way through. Okay, then this is a little bit tricky you need to attach this piece, and again, you see the hole at the end of it. It's supposed to line up with that, so that one screw holds both pieces in place. But you need to make sure that the this edge, okay, this end of the piece is under this. Okay, let's try to show you what I mean here. Yeah, so to be under that. Okay. This is a little bit delicate. Okay. All right. Now I need to slide the screw through. This is a bit delicate because this final piece has a bend to it. It's meant to be kind of elastic, to apply some elastic force. Dang it. Second here. Okay, got it. Tighten it. All right. So you see what I was talking about is this long piece along the side. The tip of it, okay, must be below, I guess, this kind of pointed oval shape that's attached to the selector switch. Okay. Now the final part of the reassembly process is to put this module back into the barrel receiver. Okay, so here is the barrel receiver. Here's the screw. Okay. And there's kind of a lip here. All right, so you have to make sure to not just shove it straight down, but actually to first slide it in. Okay, now the lip is under, and then to rock it in, rock in the units. Okay. Take the screw, put it through. Screw it down, and you're done. Reassembled. Ah.